In this video I'd like to show you how to pair a WayTools TextBlade with a Bluetooth dongle. This may be the Bluetooth dongle that's supplied by WayTools and perhaps your pairing no longer works. Maybe you erased that pairing without realizing that it was difficult to repair. Or perhaps you've bought a new dongle and you'd like to change it to a different slot. Or different sorts of circumstances why you would need to change this pairing. So to start, you would go to the WayTools Community Wiki, which has tons of information about how to go through this process, and I will really just be following the steps that have already been listed here. So the WayTools supplied dongle has the Bluetooth stack installed on the USB. So I'll be using the virtual machine approach to install that pairing once again. So you'll need to download VirtualBox from the VirtualBox site, and you'll need to download the virtual machine, which has these items and is about 330 meg. I've already downloaded those items, so I'll go ahead and install VirtualBox on my system just to show you how easy the process is. It's finished, so it's ready to run. And once VirtualBox is open, we need to import appliance. And I'll open my desktop, choose this file, open, continue, import. And we need to change the settings of the virtual machine to make sure that the first adapter is in bridged mode and the second adapter, if we change that to not attached, and the USB, we need to make sure that we have a filter for the dongle. So click OK, that'll save those settings, and now we're ready to power up the virtual machine. While that's happening, I'm going to erase the slot that I'm going to be using for my TextBlade. So to do that, press and hold the two keys for the jump slot. In this case, it's the 9 and 0, or O and P letters. So I hold those down for about 10 seconds until I get the flashing lights on my TextBlade. So just put that aside and hit return, and I'll type in pair.sh. Before it does that, I'll make sure that the Bluetooth device the dongle is ticked. Hit return, and immediately you can see it connecting to the TextBlade. Once that's finished, it'll offer me this option to type in OK in all caps to match this, to run makehid.sh with my MAC address. Press return. That will pair with my TextBlade, and it's done. So this is typed on TextBlade. and even my macros will work.